Good morning, my dear teachers and my dear students. My name is Sana Firdaus. I am studying Arabic Dugam. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is the national festival of India. Today, 76th Republic Day is being celebrated with great pomp and show in each and every part of India, especially in schools, colleges, institutes, madrasas, and other educational places. National anthem and patriotic song are being sung in the beautiful tone and joyful voice. Every individual of the country are rejoicing, being with happiness and joy. Dear sisters, India had been free from the control of British on 15th of August 1947, but 26th January 1950 is given much importance just because becoming India's self-governing country and complete republican unit on this day, as well as the Constitution of India came into force in the same day. Dear audience, India is the biggest parliamentary secular democratic country according to population. Its constitution has few special importance features. All citizens are tied into garland of common democracy without any discrimination and religions and nations. It means the sense of democracy is that the people of all religions have full rights to live in India and roam around freely. Also they have rights enshrined enjoy the rights enshrined in the constitution properly. Each and every part of India witnessed and unlimited pages and papers are black. With the fact that more than 60% Muslims, ulmas, elders, and leaders sacrificed to emulate their live along other with religious leaders in order to set India free. Then the country got free from the British control. Muslims and non-Muslims alliance suffered through and through British rule out of the country. But now it's very regrettable that communal sectarian forces strongly and decide to divide in country various parts, destroy it by leading India with poisonous policy and purpose. Disputes of Gujarat, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarnagar, Jamshedpur, and so on, murder of Muslim by mob lynching, killing them in the name of love jihad, and slaughtering the cow, arresting educators and students in the blame of terrorism, attack on conspiracy against and renowned institutes are clear examples of downfall and destructions of this country and democracy. Is this celebration only because of the year lots of rules and only adornment of papers and beauty of books in strength of law system of India? Is this celebration only because of the daring leaders and helpers of Babri Masjid? Dispute and other conflicts are moving across the line as, as innocent, while the crimeless and clean-handed people are behind the bars. Is that why this celebration? It is certainly defeat and end of democracy. Political leaders misuse the power and pass the bills with negative thoughts and abominable intentions that are caused big troubles and unbearable difficulties for public, especially for minorities. Many bills have been passed and laws have been made in the last few years with bad purpose, which clearly indicate that there is no room for us. But we have the great determination and strong intention for that we will never let it be so. We can't let our elders' struggles, freedom fighters and sacrifices and lawmakers' sincerity waste on wars. We can't we can't let the country be ruined constitution in the name of religion and nation. We have the people of India definitely vivify the lifeless and